Alright guys, I apologize. I'm already a little bit into this CRB here. I had a neighbor come by and start talking to me, so older lady, so I just didn't want any of the personal information to be in the video. And so I apologize. I've done a little bit of the room, and I'm not going to post that video just because I don't want to invade her privacy. So bear with me here as I've done a small section of this room. So with that being said, this is part 2. And if you are watching this video, it is because some of you, or all of you, left me a comment in the previous videos telling me to share this one. So I am on the last room. I started this house kind of late, but it's empty, obviously, and I was given a key to get in, so I was able to come at my leisure. So as long as I get it done for them, they are happy. So this allowed me to throw in one more job today. So I was able to go take care of somebody else that called last minute. So when I have those opportunities, I love doing that for people. You know, if I got nothing going on, then I can help somebody out. And today just played out awesome, allowing me to do so. Take care of a couple bids, a couple different cities. Come back into Oakdale, my hometown, Oakdale, California here, and take care of some carpet jobs. The last one that I added in, like I was talking about a second ago, I only filmed a raking video, and that was because that was by request. And I knew I was coming to this nice empty home, so I figured this was a good opportunity to really do all the videoing at, because I'm not worrying about any type of time constraints here. But yeah, a lady came by, and it was next door neighbor, and she wants me to give her a quote on her carpet. So since I'm right here, after I'm done, I'm gonna go peek by. But she started talking to me a little bit, and it just kind of sounded like it was getting a little personal, and I'm not gonna share that. So I apologize. As you can see, this area here, I already CRB'd, so a little bit of it's gonna be left out. I'm sure you can understand it, considering some vacuuming to do. Alright guys, it's part 2 of the CRB video. I did that hallway, and let's see, 3 bedrooms down that direction in the first video. So if this is the first one you're seeing, make sure you go back and check those out. I got some rinsing video, the longest one I've done. If you scroll down on my videos from this one probably to most likely the last video. You'll see it. I believe it was like 53 minutes. That's the longest one I've done. Probably going to be one of the longest ones I ever do, just because of the size of it. It takes a while to upload. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna let this one end. What I do after I use my CRB, because it's ran across the carpet and where some pre-spray's been, I use a towel and wipe it down, so that way I'm not transferring anything from one house to the next. So thank you guys so much for watching part 2 of this video. Again, if you're seeing this, it's because I had people comment saying yes, upload it and add it to the video, all the videos that I got. So I'm gonna get to vacuuming this up and do the rinse video. So be sure to check that out. Thank you guys again. Have a great day.